Namaste students, I JV Indu, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Ethology, Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, I will discuss about range, modulation, demodulation, repeater, and bandwidth. So, let's start. First of all, I will discuss about range. Range is the largest distance between source and destination up to which the signal is received with sufficient strength. Let's take an example. Suppose a signal can travel up to 5 kilometers only. So you have to place the transmitter up to 5 kilometer distance. This is the transmitter. This is the receiver. The signal which transmitter will transmit towards the receiver can travel with sufficient strength up to 5 kilometers. So we will place the receiver after 5 kilometers. So this is range is the maximum distance. You can say that the largest distance between source to destination up to which it received with sufficient strength. If you place this receiver here, then it will also receive the signal, but the signal will be corrupted. Or you can say that the receiver will receive the signal with attenuation. So, first of all, before transmitting the signal, we see the strength of the signal, how much it can travel. So the largest distance between the source and destination up to which signal is received with sufficient strength is called range. Now I will discuss modulation. So modulation is the process in which we superimpose the message signal over the carrier wave. So it is the process of superimposing the message signal over a carrier wave. Carrier wave is a high frequency signal and message signal is a low frequency signal. Students, suppose this is the our message signal. We can't transmit this message signal directly towards the receiver because the frequency of this message signal is low. When this low frequency signal will travel to the medium, then it will corrupt it. So, first of all, we will superimpose this low frequency message signal over a high frequency carrier wave. So, carrier wave or a carrier signal is a high frequency signal. So, first of all, we will superimpose this message signal over the carrier signal. After this, we will transmit this message, so this signal through the transmitter. So modulation is basically a process in which we superimpose the message signal or a low frequency signal with a high frequency signal or a carrier signal. Now, I will discuss about demodulation. So, demodulation is the process of separating the message signal from carrier wave. transmitter would transmit message signal which superimposed on the carrier wave. So at the receiver end, we have a demodulator. Demodulator is used to separate the message signal from carrier wave. So this process is known as demodulation. Now I will discuss about repeater. Repeater is a device which receives the signal. After that, it will amplify the signal. After that, it will transmit the signal. Now, I will discuss about bandwidth. Bandwidth is the range of frequencies over which the communication system works. For example, the frequency range for the speech signal is 300 hertz to 3100 hertz. So the bandwidth will be to find the bandwidth, we will use the formula highest frequency, we will subtract the lower frequency range from the higher frequency range. High frequency is 31 hertz minus lower frequency is the 300 hertz. Therefore, the bandwidth will be 2800 hertz. So, bandwidth is the range of frequencies over which the communication system works. To find the bandwidth, we will subtract the lower frequency range from the high frequency range. I hope you are satisfied with my 2-day digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment section. Thank you.